tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to actually use the on-screen keyboard. If your keyboard breaks down and it's not working, you can use the on-screen keyboard temporarily as you find ways and means to fix it. So let's go straight to it. By then, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I encourage you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that when you upload videos, you'll get to know and watch. And comment under the comment section and let us know what you think about this tutorial. Let's go straight to the tutorial for today. So the keyboard is not working and maybe you are stranded. For the meantime, you can use the on-screen keyboard to do certain things as you find ways and means to fix your keyboard. So you just go to search, just type in, and what happens is if you are using a keyboard, sometimes it breaks down, but some keys are functional. So if some of the keys are functional, you can use, if the S is functional, the S letter, you can use the S and check the C if the C is working. Okay, so you have the screen keyboard right here the screen keyboard. Or if the O is working and N is working, you can type ON and see it popping up. And if you are using an external keyboard, you can just use it to type it straightforward. When you type it, it will pop up. Just click on it. You have it here. And you can increase the size. So you can increase it. You can the length, the size. You can manipulate it whatever way you want it. You can reduce it, and you can use it to do whatever you want to do. To type, to do a lot of things as you work on your keyboard to fix the problem. So this is on-screen keyboard for you, and it's just like a normal keyboard, so just go to search. If you have a standard keyboard, just type in on-screen keyboard to pop up. Click on it. If you don't have the external keyboard, you can try some of the keys on the keyboard. Maybe some of them are functional. Just try S and C. If they are functional, S and C are functional, it will pop up. Click on it, resize it, then begin to use it to do whatever you want to do as you work on the keyboard. So guys, this is it. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel as we actually get to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you.